Thank you, doctors, heroes in white. You bring us hope, you bring us light. You heal with love, you heal with care. God's gentle blessings everywhere. On this National Doctors Day, we honor you in every way. With grateful hearts, we proudly say, thank you, doctors, today. Of you. Give your strength when ours is gone. You help us rise and carry on. Through every challenge, every fight,